Hello friends, day 134. I left Langport this morning after breakfast at Sarah's, and I took some pictures of the tent I was in last night just so that you can see them. I couldn't take them last night, so I took them this morning and put them in today's video. Today's been a day of water. I followed the River Parret for the first 11 miles and that was quite nice, a bit samey, and then I came onto the Bridgewater and Taunton Canal and followed that for a few miles into Taunton. Taunton's bigger than I expected. Took me a while to get through there, but I'm out the other side of Taunton now and I've found a nice spot for tonight. So let's have a look at where I've been today and I'll see you on the trail. This is my room with a view tonight, and what do you know, it's even got its own swimming pool.